Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you exactly how I get my flawless foundation, and this is my foundation routine every single day. I hope you enjoy it. So after using my moisturizer, the next thing that I do is I grab a primer. So it really depends on what kind of primer you're looking for, what kind of skin you have, and what kind of look you want. For today I'll be using this pore minimizing primer, and it's this one right here. So I apply this sort of just around this area right here, and I blend that outwards. I'm going to go ahead and apply this color corrector. This is the one that I'm using by LA Girl Pro. This one is just an orange corrector, and this is going to hide away my darkness from my face. So let's get to it. I have a lot of darkness around my mouth, so I'm just going ahead and I'm applying this anywhere that I have sort of darkness. So like I said, around my mouth is a must, and under my eyes as well. Alright, so after I've gotten it applied, I am just taking a clean brush and sort of blending it in. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and lightly set the product that I just placed so that when I apply my foundation it doesn't move around. I'm just going to take this Maybelline loose setting powder. This one is in the shade 20. This is the light medium. Very, very lightly, just. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead with my favorite foundation. This one right here, it's L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation, and this is in the shade Amber. And I'm taking this sponge right here. I'll leave it in the description down below, but this sponge is basically a very soft memory foam sponge, and I love this sponge. It covers my face so quickly, and it gives me the most flawless look. Alright, so I'm just going to go in with this LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. This is in the shade Cool Tan. It's a little darker than what I normally use, but the reason that I'm using this is because I'm going to first go in with this, and then I'm going to go ahead with a lighter concealer just to kind of brighten up the face and give my face a little bit more dimension. So yes, so first I'm going to go in with this . Alright, so now it's time to bronze, and I'm just bronzing the top of my forehead right here. I try to keep as close to my hairline as possible, and this is to really help diffuse any color, any foundation that created a mask around my hairline, because oftentimes that happens. You can't really blend it to your hair, so this is the time that I take to sort of blend the foundation, you know, into the hairline, and it really works. And I'm taking it down to my cheekbones here. I already have a definition created because I applied that powder earlier. So I'm just applying this right there to sort of contour. And I'm not taking it lower than that line. And I'm also not dragging it to the front either. I'm keeping it sort of just, I guess, right below the corner of my eye. And I make sure that I also pop that like all the way in the hairline as well. And then the next place that I take this is my jaw. I don't really enjoy harsh contour on a daily basis, so I don't contour. I just sort of use my bronzer to add those dimensions. All right, so that is perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and sort of do the rest of my makeup. Apply some blush. So the key to having a flawless sort of foundation look is to layer as little as possible when it comes to powder products. And when I apply blush, I make sure that I don't use too much. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with highlighter. I'm using this one by Pixi. And I love this one because it gives skin-like highlight, which is so gorgeous. I'm just gonna go in with a denser brush instead of a fan brush. And there's two colors here. I think I'm gonna go in with the rosy one. That is so pretty. Oh my god. I gotta make sure I don't apply too much out of excitement. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm using this one by Pixi, and this is Glow Mist. It is absolutely beautiful finish. Just gonna spray that all over my face to finish this look up. I'm just ending off with a lip gloss. Alright, and this is exactly how I do my flawless foundation routine. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm just gonna come a little closer so that you can see how flawless my skin looks. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this look, please leave a like, comment down below on what you'd like to see next, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, take care, and I love you.